Good day, each and everyone. Welcome to G7 Talk Show. I am Baldigelina, your host for today. This morning, we have amazing guests came from Negros Oriental State University. We will hear together their different opinions, thoughts, and reaction about the good effects and bad effects of nanotechnology, stem cell therapy, and genetically modified organisms. As you can see in the screen, nanotechnology is the process that scientists do in the laboratory that could address different problems in the different fields, either in health, farm, and other related aspects of life. Stem cell therapy, also known as the regenerative response of disease and injured tissue using stem cells or the derivatives. It is the organ transplantation and use of cells instead of donor organs, which are limited in scope. So my question is, what are the good effects of nanotechnology and stem cell therapy? Alright, so let's hear from Ms. Kadungog Charlene May.
Nanotechnology gives huge benefits in cell isolation, purification, and differentiation of stem cell. Nanotechnology in stem cell-based therapy is investigated in neurodegenerative disease, anti-tumor, and gene delivery. Nanotechnology gives the capacity for new and quicker forms of computer, more efficient power source, and life-saving scientific treatments. Potential risks include economic disruption and possible threats to security, privacy, health, and the environment. Studies have determined that stem cell therapy can assist to enhance the increase of new healthy skin tissue, beautify collagen production, stimulate hair improvement after incision or loss, and assisting alternative scar tissue with newly developed healthy tissue.
Thank you so much for that wonderful answer, Ms. Kadungog Charlene May. What is your opinion, Ms. Balderas Edeline?
Hello everyone, I am Balderas Adeline C. So, in addition to the good effects of nanotechnology and stem cell therapy is that nanotechnology provides the ability to produce surfaces, materials, and constructs with nanoscale features that can minimize the natural environment of cells to promote certain functions such as cell adhesion and cell differentiation. In the near future, it will allow labeling and tracking of the stem cells in vivo. In the long term, it is possible to envision the use of nanomaterials as a suitable 3D construct that induces the stem cell to engraft in the target site and directs the cell differentiation toward the desired specific lineage. Eventually, nanoparticles will be able to deliver a variety of factors, including growth factors within the nanoscaffold in a controlled spatiotemporal manner. And nanosensors embedded in the 3D construct will control the release of desired cues. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Balderas Edeline. How about you, Ms. Micaela Llanera?
Hi everyone, I am Llanera Micael. So what are the good effects of nanotechnology? So the benefits associated with nanotechnology include, among other, increase in yield and quality of produce in agriculture, improve cosmetic products, directed delivery of medicine, and sensor applications. So, good effects of stem cell therapy. So, studies have discovered that stem cell therapy can help enhance the growth of new healthy skin tissues, enhance collagen production, stimulate hair development after incisions of use, and help substitute scar tissues with newly developed healthy tissues. Once again, thank you, and this is Llanera Micael.
Thank you so much, Ms. Micaela Llanera. Moving on, what are the bad effects of nanotechnology and stem cell therapy? May I call on Ms. Palagtio Madil?
Hello everyone, I am Palagtio Madil. We will talk about the good effects of nanotechnology and stem cell therapy. With the help of nanotechnology, toxic gases in the air can be cleaned. But first, we have to detect the pollutants at the molecular level using precise sensor. A sensor called nanocontact sensor has been developed which can detect the heavy metal ions and radioactive elements. These sensors have a small size, are inexpensive and are easy to use on site. Therefore, by detecting pollutants by specific sensors, we can help protect the sustainability of human health and environment. Thus, nanotechnology provides us with a new approach to cut down the waste production, reduce the emission of greenhouse gases and discharge of hazardous chemicals in water bodies. While the use of stem cells in regenerative medicine provides many advantages in pain management and other medical procedures. One of the advantages is increases functionality, range of motion, and flexibility. Patients are always eager to return to their daily routine. It also increases the functionality, range of motion, and flexibility of the joint, muscle, or part of the body that was damaged. One of the amazing benefits of stem cell treatments is to help patients restore their injured body part to the way it was prior to the injury. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Palagtiu Madil. How about you, Mr. Kaday Ivan?
Nanoparticle hazards and dangers include increased formation of reactive oxygen species or ROS, DNA damage, genotoxic effects, damage to human organs and tissues, effects on crop plant growth and productivity, and unfavorable effects on beneficial microbes in the environment. Adult stem cells are difficult to develop for lengthy periods of time in culture, which is one of the stem cell therapy's disadvantages. Adult stem cells cannot be produced in significant quantities with current technology. Normal maintenance and reproducibility methods for stimulated pluripotent cells are lacking.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kaday, for sharing your thoughts. What is your opinion, Ms. Cabanag Jocelyn?
The bad effect of the nanotechnology and the stem cells therapy. Potential disadvantages include economic disruptions and possible threats to security, privacy, health, and the environment. And the stem cells therapy is all about infection, bleeding, and pain from tissues or nerve inflammations. Furthermore, the applications of stem cells on a clinic scales are limited due to their safety and ethical issue.
Thank you so much, Ms. Cabanag Jocelyn. Lifestyle have greatly benefits from technology. Medicine is one example of scientific and technological innovation that include a breakthrough in the area of human health. My question is, how does medicine contributes to the society? How does the medicine impact our life today? Alright, so let's hear from Ms. Kalidgid Aiza.
How does medicine contribute to the society? How does medicine impacts our lives today? This is Kalidgid Aiza. The growth in healthcare system and technology has made patient care for superior and more reliable in most cases by providing new machines, such as MRIs, medicine and treatments that save lives and improve the chance of recovery for many, which also scientific research has already helped to improve treatment for numerous illnesses and serious health conditions, whereas aspirin is a common drug for relieving minor aches, pains, and fevers people. By the same token, it was the first of this class of drugs to be discovered. Another thing is, what we should know about stem cell treatment in the Philippines. It is said that stem cells offers great promise for new medical treatments. So, in a country where many elite are obsessed with the natural aging process, wealthy Filipinos ay kalimitang gagastos ng malaki per session of stem cell therapy in the belief that the treatment will improve their overall health and make them look younger. However, stem cell treatment requires analyzing at the molecular level what is causing the problem or to prevent the problem. As Dr. Bernal said, be careful. Number 1, stem cell therapy is not a cure-all. This means that stem cell therapy is actually trying to allow the body to heal itself.
Thank you so much, Ms. Kalidgid Aiza, for answering my question. Next question, what we should know how stem cell treatment in the Philippines. May I call on Ms. Malandog Rena?
So, good day everyone. I am Rena Durango Malandog and this is my reaction about what we should know how stem cell treatment in the Philippines. So, according to Dr. Bernal, stem cell treatment necessitates analyzing at molecular level what is causing the problem or what could be done to prevent the problem. Stem cells are only one component of one molecular approach to medicine. It is really missing the point when someone just collects and injects cells, Dr. Bernal emphasizes. Be cautious, especially with any service that offers embryonic stem cells from aborted fetuses, genetically altered sources, or animal cells, he advised. Even though every day we have fresh discoveries in the field of regenerative medicine, he stated that one thing is certain: each patient is unique and distinct. That is why current rules, guidelines, and one-size-fits-all approach are ineffective. It only pertains and pharmaceuticals, not stem cell therapies. The model used in pharmacological clinical trials does not apply to stem cell therapy. Clinical trials cannot be randomized. That might be fine for pharmaceuticals, but not for some stem cell therapies. He explained why one patient's data does not applicable to another. The first step is to figure out what makes that patient special. Gathering information from others may provide a hint, but it does not provide complete information for each patient, he explained. Dr. Bernal discussed why stem cells cannot function on their own. It's not an easy thing, he explained, because you just extract stem cells from the bone marrow and put them into a patient with heart disease and he'll be healed. Stem cells require additional components. Remember that we aren't merely collection of cells. The maturation of growth factors components are required. That is why stem cells by themselves are ineffective. It's just one aspect of molecular medicine and it is not a panacea.
Thank you so much, Ms. Malando, for sharing your answer. Any addition? Let's hear from Ms. Cadayona Vayame.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vea May Cadayona. What we should know about stem cell treatment in the Philippines. Prevention is better than cure. Dr. Bernal emphasized the importance of medicine, human as we are. But the missing point is that collecting cells and injecting it to a particular person with illness can never be easy. He advised that every new discoveries must undergo a long-term study, even proven at certain times. Because in the field of medicine, we can never conclude that it can all be treated to a physical type or capacity of a person's body whom given that medicine for good. We are unique and distinct, so we can never tell if that cell therapy or medical treatment or medicine can be suitable for everyone, especially here in the Philippines, wherein the availability of medical equipment is limited. He also added that it only pertains to pharmaceuticals, not stem cell therapies, meaning it is not applicable for all. Pharmacological clinic trials does not apply to stem cell therapy, and even clinically trialed substance, or what that, can never be randomized. Therefore, it isn't that safe for all of us, or for anyone.
Thank you so much, Ms. Cadayona Vayame. Alright, so let's proceed. So as you can see in the screen, I know guys that you're familiar with this. You already read an article and watch a video about GMO or genetically modified organisms. Genetically modified organisms are now into operation in the different farm for livestock and farm crops. Products are now proliferating due to the demands that the different nations crave for food and satisfaction. Question: what is your insight or reaction regarding to the article that you read and a short video clip that you watch? Please help me welcome Mr. Cabanyo Graymart.
This is Cabanyo Graymart and I'm here to talk about GMOs. GMO, which stands for Genetically Modified Organism, refers to any organism whose DNA has been modified using genetic engineering technology. My insight about GMO is they are very beneficial to food production, especially we are at crisis Sometimes food can be scarce. Why? Because genetic modification significantly accelerates this process of food production by using scientific techniques that gives the plant specific desired traits. In fact, it is estimated that 80% of food in supermarkets contain ingredients that comes from genetically modified crops. Additionally, genetic modification can increase the nutritional value of food. For example, rice high in beta-carotene, also called golden rice, was developed to help prevent blindness in regions where local diets are chronically deficient in vitamin A. That's why I'm very much in favor of GMOs. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Cabanyag, for answering my question. How about you, Miss Cadalso-Aini?
This is Cadalso-Aini. So in my perspective, and based only on what I have seen and read about GMOs, we cannot disregard that while GMOs have been beneficial in some ways, we cannot just ignore that they have tons of undesirable threats in all living organisms. As the popularity of genetically modified organisms or GMOs increases, so does the public interest in information on the safety of these products. Concerns often focus on how GMOs may damage to the environment or the consumer. One particular cause of concern is the great possibility that GMOs will harm human health. For instance, GMOs may cause allergic reactions. Because GMOs foods contain DNA from other organisms, thus it is possible that new DNA can trigger allergies in people who would not ordinarily be allergic to the food.
Thank you so much, Miss Cadalso-Aini. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless us all. Goodbye.